Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to read another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Yes, as you know that we have done two lessons previously and we have done their activities also. I hope you have completed their all the activities which we have started. So let's start our next two phonograms and next three phonograms. Today we are going to do next three phonograms, but before starting our phonogram, let's revise a new phonogram which we are going to do, and we are also going to do the activities. So let's revise them and start work. Yes, as I've told you, today we are going to do three phonograms. Two are here and we will discuss the third one later. So let's see their sounds and let's revise them. As in early, as in ring, as in early, as in ring. So as you can see, it has only one, has only one sound. In the same way, has only one sound. Both have one sound. So we are going to start our activities. So you have to open your book at page number. Okay, we are going to start reading. As in early, as in early. What did you learn in school today? What did you learn in school today? We will get up early. 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 Earth is round like a ball. Earth is round like a ball. She found a pearl inside a slam. You can see in the picture that there is a pearl inside a slam. Slam किसको कहते हैं? Yes, you can see it's slam. सिप्पी, जिसे आप लोग उर्दू में सिप्पी भी कहते हैं. My mother has soft heart. My mother has soft heart. So let's what you have to do, beta, you have to underline the words and you have to tell the sound number. As I told you, it has only one sound. As in early. Yes. So let's start its activity. Okay, we are going to start worksheet for the phonogram. Early, hearth, search, earth. Okay, now what you have to do, write words. You have to write any four words. Okay, you can pause the video here and you have to write any four words. Okay, let me show you what you will write. I'll show you the answer at the end of the video. Okay, now let's discuss the next one. It's very easy. We have read many words, so you can write any four. Okay, now let's have a look at the next one. Next question is join and write our words. Okay, here we have words, but they are separate. What you are going to do, you have to write them in joining writing, as you have learnt in your Iqra handwriting series. You will write them in joining writing. Okay, first one is learn, earth, search and earn. Very good. Okay, here we can see the picture of pearl and learn also. Okay, now have a look at the last one. Read, match and rewrite the words. Okay, first we are going to read, after that you will match them and then you have to rewrite them on the given lines. Okay, so let's start reading. Earn, search, heart. Oh, sorry, it's heart. Early, pearl, and this is heart, not hurt. Okay, so that's all. Now let's have a look at the last picture. What's there? Earthquake and heart. Yes. So now let me show you answer, how you will write your answer. I hope you can do these activities. These are really easy. Okay students, you have to write sound number like this in your page number 54. When you will write the words, you will write sound number as well, and you will do the activities in the same way. Okay, first you will write any four words with sound, and then you have to write these words, join and write these words, and after that you will rewrite the given words like this. Is it clear? Okay, now let's start our next phonogram. Okay, so let's start our next phonogram. Okay, our next phonogram, as in ring, as in ring, and it has only one sound. So let's start. So let's start reading. The queen has a ring. We can see in the picture also. The king is rich. The king is rich. The birds flap their wings. The birds flap their wings. We can see in the picture that bird is flapping its wings. Okay, now have a look at the next one. The beggar has nothing. The beggar has nothing. The peon rang the bell. We can see in the picture also. The peon rang the bell. Okay, now you have to read these words and you have to find out the words with sound, and you have to write their sound number. Now let's have a look at the next one. Okay, we are going to start worksheet for the phonogram. Worksheet for the phonogram of ring. People are buying fruits. The man is driving a car. The children are enjoying. Yes, we can see in the picture also. You have to write sound number there. Okay, now let's see the next activity. Use the words given below to make sentences about the pictures. Running, drinking, falling, eating, playing. These are the options, and all the options have sound. Yes. So let's see इसको कैसे fill करेंगे. Let's start reading. He is dash juice. So guess what's the answer? It's drinking. The cow is dash grass. Yes, the cow is eating grass. The tall man is dash. So look at the picture. What is the tall man doing? Yes, the tall man is running. Yes. The small boy is dash with his toy car. The small boy is dash with his toy car. Yes, the small boy is playing. You can see in the picture. The man is dashed down. The man is falling down. We can see in the picture the man is falling down. So now let's have a look at the next one. You will fill these blanks with your lead pencil. Okay, now you can use. Okay, you have to use your blue ink pen. Sorry, you will not use lead pencil. You have to fill these blanks by using your blue ink pen. Okay, now let's do the next activity. Look at the above picture and tell 3 words. You have to write any 3 words. Yes, we have read many words, so आप लोगों ने कोई से भी 3 लिख देने हैं यहाँ पर. Okay, now we have yes or no questions. So you have to look at the picture and you have to give the answer. Write yes or no by looking at the picture. Ali is running in the playground. Is he? No. Yes, so what will be the answer? No. He is walking on the ground, on the road. He is walking on the road. So yes, he is walking on the road. We can see in the picture that he is walking on the road. They are playing football. Yes, we can see in the picture that they are playing football. So its answer is yes. So let me show you answer now. Yes, like this you will write sound number on your book when you will do reading, and in this way you have to complete your activities. You will do fill in the blanks and you will write any 3 words with sound, and then you will write yes and no for statements. Now let's have a look at the last phonogram. Okay, our last phonogram has three sound, and it's E as in eat, A as in deaf, and A as in break. It has three sound, E, A. So let's start our activities. Okay, E, A. So let's start reading. Teacher will teach us. Teacher will teach us. We found seashells at the beach. Teacher will we found seashells at the beach. So what you have to do, beta, you have to underline the words which have E sound, and you will write sound number, and E is the first sound, so you will write 1 over the words. Is that clear? Yes. Now look at the next one. The weather is hot in summer. The weather is hot in summer. Mother spread peanut butter on the bread. Yes, mother spread peanut butter on the bread. It has a sound. A, as in weather, spread, and bread. A sound. So let's have a last one. Look at the last one. Please do not break the walls. Please do not break the walls. You have done a great job. You have done a great job. A as in break and great. So we have read A has three sound, A. So let's have a look at the next page. He eats an apple. Deaf, breaking the wood. Okay, and you have to write sound number. Eat has first sound, deaf has second, and break has third sound. So what's the next one? It's very interesting activity. What you have to do, find and color the words dead, read, feet, heat, ready, and steady. This is a puzzle, and you have to find these words and you will color them. I'll show you the answer at the end of this video. Okay, now we have some other activity. Now you have to guess some riddles. Okay, riddles are really interesting, so let's have to guess the riddles. Answer the riddle. The top part of our body, as you can see in the picture, yes, it's head. Very good. Okay, someone not alive is dead. Very good. We sew clothes with it. Thread. Very good. We use it for breakfast. It's bread. I have 12 months. Who has 12 months? Yes, ear has 12 months. I am on both sides of your head. Yes, we can see it in the picture also. It's ear. Okay, we have meadow and leaf. It's meadow and leaf, and they have first sound, which is E sound. So now let me show you how you will do this. Okay, you will write sound like this while you will do reading. Yes, and you have to do the activity like this. Okay, you will write sound number, and then you have to find the words, and you have to color it like this. Here we have some words: heat, ready, steady, and dead, and feet. So after that you will write your answer like this. Okay, we'll meet inshallah in next lesson. I hope you will complete your lesson. Allah Hafiz.